Hey, what's up guys? All right, so we're here today and we're gonna go over my newer battery grip. So I generally record my videos with the Panasonic G85 and I just sold my Sony a7S, so now I strictly have the Panasonics. I actually have the one here without the battery grip, and as you can see, it is quite small. The one thing is that the battery, there's only one battery inside and it's not the longest lasting, so I was like, I want to get something that helps with the grip, and that's what I have here. So this is the newer battery grip. As you can see, the size difference, it's quite different. I mean, it definitely helps a lot in gripping the camera. It's much easier to hold this way, and the bonus is, of course, it gives me the extra battery that's inside, and you can have it portrait holding much easier than before. Before you're holding it like this, and you know, it doesn't give you that good substantial grip that this battery grip does. The Panasonic version of the newer is crazy expensive. It's like $300. I don't understand why a simple battery grip is $300. So Neewer sells them for about $36 on Amazon. So I bought two of them. We're going to open box it in a second so you can see what's inside. But I wanted to find out, is $36 equivalent to $300? I don't have a $300 grip, but I'll tell you, this is a nice grip. The way it looks, the way it holds, it's a very close fitting. I'm going to give you a close-up in a moment, but I am pleasantly surprised, and I suggest you purchase the newer for $36. It's totally worth it. Now I have the controls here and the extra battery. What more can you ask for $36? It's crazy. It really is crazy. But let's get into the open box of it to take a look at it so I can show it to you, and I'll give you a close-up to compare the two next to each other so you can see what a really nice battery grip this is. Hey, anyways, before I let you go, please subscribe. If it's the first time here, please give me a thumbs up. If it's the second time, third time here, of course, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for coming back. All right, let's go to the open box section and let's go to a little closer dive into the battery grip. All right, guys, here we go with the open box of the newer battery grip. It's not much to it. I mean, obviously, it's just a battery grip inside, but I want to show you what you get. One battery grip. That's it. That's how quick it is. Some instructions. There it is, the DMW-BGG1, which is the Panasonic's number for battery grip. There you go. The manual. That's it. That's the battery grip by Neewer. Just want you to look it over as you see that it is well made. Little battery goes in there, obviously. You have a little cutout if you want to put basically an extension through here to run off of a USB or some other type of battery source. This is the top. You have the two buttons here, your function button, the on-off, the autofocus lock, and then your two basically toggles. You have the two buttons here as well. That's it. That's it for the open box section. So let's move on to the actual mounting, and so you can see it. Okay, so here we go with this is the Panasonic obviously without the mount on it. And then right next to it I have my other Panasonic with the mount. So as you can see, the size difference it adds exactly what you want. This coating on here actually does come very close to matching what the original. I'll show you to here. They do a nice job. I mean, honestly, the coating feels similar. Again, this is $36. Remember that. The Panasonic wants $300 for theirs. This is totally, completely worth it. So if I power this on, all right. So here it says BG, meaning battery grip. So it sees the power in the battery grip. It's drawing the power from the battery grip currently. It's not on, so it doesn't have any control of it. All you do is basically just turn it on, and now you have control of the actual, as you see here. There's the autofocus. All you do is you can control it through here now instead of using this upper. These are two controls here are actually put to this side. And you have your function button, which does work, as you see. This is not a long review. I mean, obviously, it's just a battery grip, but I wanted to show it to you that they have a cover on here when you get it out of the box. So you take the cover off, and then your pins are exposed. On the back of your Panasonic, you pull off this mount here, which is just a plastic mount. You take that off, and there you go. Now you can put your new battery grip on it. It just screws right in. And it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter, and there it is. Now I have two battery grips. Of course, this doesn't have a battery in it, so when I do turn the display on, does this have a battery? I don't know if I have a battery. Yeah, there it is. I'm basically out of battery on this one. So this is going to shut off. There it goes. So the battery is dead on this one, but the battery is good on this one. Completely worth it, in my opinion. For $36, you get a extended battery. I have to remove this because my battery is dead, and I'll swap batteries out of the base here. This one is dead, so I might as well take it out now. And of course, if you don't want the battery grip off, you can take it off and turn it back to the small size that it is. But I actually prefer this format with a better grip, substantial to hold. It feels better than this. This feels, I would say, childish because it just doesn't have the grip, and my hands are a little on the larger side. So this makes it feel like, yes, I got something to hold on to. It's good stuff. All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions about the battery grip, let me know. It is a very nice little battery grip, and I'm very happy of the quality of this battery grip that Neewer provided. Well, they didn't provide, but I bought, that they made, but I bought. It is a great accessory for my G85. This is a great camera. I got rid of my Sony a7S, and I'm now just using my Panasonics to make my videos. A little shout out to the LG V60 that I have, which is what we're recording on, because obviously I have two cameras here, which, well, what are we recording on? My LG V60 in 4K. Someday I'm going to do another video on strictly just 4K video, but this whole video actually was done in 4K LG V60, so maybe in a weird way, that's even better. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. This is the Neewer battery grip, and I bought it from Amazon for 36 bucks. I'll put the link down below in case you want to see it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.